Hello guys, and welcome back to this channel, where today guys, I'll be showing you how to import Excel to monday.com. So guys, the first thing that you of course need to do is go to monday.com and you'll be greeted by a screen looking like this. Now after that, you just need to go and log into your profile or register to monday.com if you already do not have a profile. Now when you did that, you just need to go and guys, see what we actually have in front of us here. In the top left corner, we have the home and my work screens and the boards here. And also in the top right corner, as you can see, we have everything about your profile. But now guys, let's see how you can actually go and import Excel to monday.com. So it is pretty simple and you just need to go and follow these few steps to know how to do it in no time. So basically what you need to do guys is go and click on the top right corner where your profile picture is and you'll have a screen pop up like this. Now when you're here, you have the account and explore. We will be looking at the explore, where out of all of these options here, you just need to go and click on import data. When you click there, you'll have, as you can see here, you'll be having a screen like this, where you can import a new board, create a new board with content from the other apps. And the first one is, as you can see, import any Excel sheet to a new board, where you need to go and click on there. So guys, that will be everything for this video. I hope that you found this video informative and entertaining, guys. If you did, don't forget to like this video, share it, subscribe to the channel, and put the notifications on, as guys, this really helps us grow our channel. So if you have a few seconds, it will be pretty cool if you could do this for us. So guys, as I said, that will be everything. I hope that you enjoyed it, and I'll be seeing you in the next video. Bye guys.